Just hang on. Fuck. Just hang on. Oh, yeah, it is. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? It's Crawdaddy Deluxe again. It's been a little while. I'm still alive. As you can see, I'm sure y'all very worried, all 18 of my very loyal subscribers. But I do want to apologize for the delay. I'm sure y'all understand I was on the run, okay? I was running from a pack of wild dogs and I got lost, alright? In a forest somewhere with cameraman, and he just walked off with the money, alright? So I'm fucking lost here in some state, alright? It's cold, alright? I haven't had a chance to make videos. I've been busy trying to survive, okay? But I'm back, and I'm better than ever. Crawdaddy version .3. Get ready, 2019, here we come. Much love.